Hey, it's Joseph here.
And it's Yana here.
And we are about to do a bit of a showcase and unbox of this keyboard. Can you go ahead and read what this keyboard is?
Air 75 V3 NuPhy. It is the Air Series portable wireless keyboard.
So let's have a look at the box. As you have read, we've got all of those written on here and the brief look of the keyboard. And when we look at the top, it's got the model name and the color, which is Midnight Black. It is a low profile variant, smart knob, NuPhy IO, tri-mode wireless and mechanical keyboard, and the barcode over here. And on the back, a couple of things that shows what's in the box. So let's go ahead and unbox. And we've got the accessory side up here.
Stickers? Stickers!
Maybe. It's another one for you. Let's see.
Done. Stickers.
Stickers. No stickers.
No stickers.
No stickers, sorry. There's a quick guide, FAQ, if you want to find out a bit more about the keyboard. So this one is knob for Air 75 V3. So this specific model has a couple of knobs that you can replace your key with. That you just insert, and that becomes a button. Ooh. As well as a little turny thing that you can place in your keyboard. Or instead of this, I suppose you can replace with a more flat kind.
It looks like a tire.
Which one do you like better? The one that sticks out or a flat one?
Flat one makes more sense.
Okay, she says it is more sensible, so we go with the flatter kind. And then we've got a cable that goes from USB Type A to
Type C.
And this one actually is a dongle. So it's essentially USB Type C to C. It's just that you have a dongle that you can use so you can connect to USB Type A as well. And in case you need to get into disassembling a few things, the Torx screwdriver is included and some alternative keycaps. I already see that one of the key is an options, which is meant for more the Mac. So the Windows keys are included in here. And along with that, we've got the keycap and the switch remover. So you remove the switch with this, and then keycaps, you pull them out by inserting this onto the keys. There we go. Voila. What do you think?
It looks nice. It has the ASMR.
You like the sound?
Yes, it is so satisfying.
You want to give it a try a little bit?
Yes, please.
Is that how you type?
No, that's how the cat types.
You already use NuPhy keyboard, don't you? So they look about the same width, quite similar. So what's the sound difference or the feel difference?
This one feels a bit more softer.
Yeah?
This one's a bit more
tingy?
Yeah.
So this one is red. This one is red as well. Slight sound difference, right? Often that is contributed by the weight and the build condition of the keyboard.
This one's heavier.
So this one is heavier and has a better build quality in my eyes. It doesn't have the smart touch control thing that it has, but everything is a metal body, whereas this one is sort of a plastic body. Anyways, that was just a brief comparison. So if we flip it around, on the bottom, you've got the model name and this kind of mirrored metal finish that shows the NuPhy Air 75 tri-mode wireless mechanical keyboard. You want to do the tear? I think they meant peel, not tear, right?
Yeah.
And you've got the rubber feet and you've got the feet to raise up the angle if you'd like. And you have additional control for lower angle if you'd like. I typically use them without the feet raised, so I'll be using it like this. And also on the top, you can see that they've got a couple of things. So here, it might be a little hard to read, but it says off, wired, and wireless. So there's a key for that. Right now it's in off position. And then you've got the control for Windows versus Mac. We'll be using on Windows, so we'll be flipping that to Windows. And then you've got the dongle inserted in here. So you've got the USB Type A dongle. Normally you can keep it in here so that it doesn't get lost. And then here's a USB Type-C port for charging and wired connection. So why don't you go ahead and turn it on for us? Okay. So you've got all rainbow color. Let's turn off the light so you can see it. I mean, do you prefer rainbow when you use keyboards?
I mean, it's a bit distracting.
Why don't you go ahead and change the color yourself?
Pink.
All right, pink it is. And then you've got different effects, also the speed and then brightness and color switching, effect switching, and then speed changing. Well, that is the backlighting. In terms of the knob, you take out that top section and insert the knob. Let's attempt to do that. You insert it like that and hold down the keyboard and pull out gently. Backspace is a little bit harder because you've got to pull out both sides. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There you go. You use a screwdriver to unscrew that little tiny screw there. And I suppose you need to take this bit out. I'm using the screwdriver to help myself lift that up. Cool. It's got the cool contacts here that recognize different things on the key. Same thing on here. Anyways, you put that back on there like so. We're in. You want to do that?
Yes, please.
You think you got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And then let's put the keycaps back on.
Can we just press it?
Yeah. Turn the dial. You can press it too.
Press the wheel down.
All right, next bit. So for Windows, normally this is a control, Windows key, and then Alt. This will be normally a window, so we need to switch these. So would you take that out for me, please? And then we'll use the correct ones.
There's a cat one.
Where do you want to use the cat? Do you want to use it for escape key?
Yes.
So why don't you pull that out and put the cat on there?
Here, kitty, kitty.
You like that one?
Yes.
So you got color ones if you'd like.
Meow.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and test out the keys as well. First, let's connect with the computer with this cable here that's provided. So USB type A next there, and then this one connects to USB type C port right there. And then as soon as we turn it on, it should connect wired. Okay, do you want to do the honor of trying it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go for it. Good job. What did you think?
It felt satisfying. I liked the way that sounded.
Let me give it a try. It does feel very nice. As far as the sound goes, it's near perfect and it feels nice. I am slightly not as used to on the keys. As far as this apostrophe goes, I keep missing it. So yeah, that took me a little bit, but everything else feels pretty good. You can see that my volume is going up and down as I control this. And then if I press, it'll trigger mute and unmute. It's a little bit hard to turn this around, especially when it's this flat. What do you think about potentially replacing it with a taller knob?
That's fine.
All right, let's give that a shot.
Pull the tire off.
And then insert this. Mute, unmute, and then you can turn this knob easily. That's perfect. Yeah, so you've got all the function rows. and then page up, down, home, end. So this is a compact 75% keyboard setup, and yeah, it feels good, looks good. I love this black color. Yeah, as a current NuPhy keyboard user, what do you think?
I like it.
Yeah.
I like the kitty.
You might just steal that, won't you? Yeah, you just might.
Meow.
So instead of using a function button and pressing this, it is much easier to press this button to mute and unmute. So I really appreciate that feature. This is a feature that I just want on every single keyboard because I want dedicated volume control or a knob to control the volume. Most amount of time I do need a number pad, and I do have that keyboard review on my channel. So if you're interested in, you can also check that keyboard video out. But as far as the compact 75% goes, this is a perfect setup because I've got a volume knob. It is very needed for me. NuPhy has provided this keyboard for me to do a showcase and a video like this. So NuPhy, thank you so much for providing this keyboard so my daughter and I can experience this. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like this video and consider subscribing to this channel to continue watching these type of videos. And thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Do, 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 do.